Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, The Robotics Lab. Today we will be learning about buzzers or the piezo buzzer. Buzzers are devices that are needed to be connected in positive and negative wires, and they make a weird sound when they are connected. Like here, it makes this sound. And that is a very weird sound because in the real life it makes a beeping sound, and it has and it needs it needs 5 volts to power it, and sometimes 10, and there are different types of buzzers that need different volts of electricity to charge it. Thank you for watching today's video, and please subscribe to my channel if you're new.